Hello guys, you're welcome back to Valmage Fates. I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers so far. I'm really grateful. Please, if this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop another interesting video. And thank you also for dropping by. Please do not forget to like these videos and leave your comments below. So today we're going to be learning how to make your own already made cup with the use of store-bought foam. So you can get this foam in any furniture making shop. This foam is really soft to the touch and also very flat. So we're just going to be needing a little piece of this to make our cup. Meanwhile, we're also going to be making use of a little piece of stay in covering the foam, and of course our bust cup cutout pattern, which is really important for this tutorial, not forgetting our scissors also. Please, in case you don't know how to achieve these cutout top patterns, just drop your comments, and as much as I see the comments, I'll drop an interesting video on that. So as you can see, I have included 1/2 an inch seam allowance all round, which will be very useful for us when we have cut out our foam. Moving forward, I'll take these cup patterns, place them on the foam, and then cut exactly to shape. So I'll take the first piece and then cut this out. Don't forget, we'll be needing these foams in twos, one for the left and one for the right. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. Now that we have our foam cut out pieces, make sure to label them as indicated on the pattern paper to avoid placing them wrongly. So this is my center front and my side front. Now we have them in twos, one for the left and one for the right. So if you look at this foam very well, you see that it's really flat and it's measuring about 1/2 an inch. So placing my tape, you can see it's measuring about 1/2 an inch. But still, we're going to be making the edges even more flatter. So we're going to be trimming off on these edges to make it even more flatter. And this is how to do it. So just carefully trim off on these edges all round. So now we have our first two trimmed out pieces. Taking a very close look at this, you see it's much more flatter than it earlier was. So just looking at it all round, you see how so flat it is all round. So the next thing we're going to be doing right now is making use of our stay in covering this foam. So I'll take this to my pressing table and place this carefully on my trimmed out foam. And with the use of my pressing iron on low heat, I'll gum this stay to this foam. So I'll take this over to work on and come back to show you guys. Now this is how it looks like after putting on the stay. So I'll just trim off the excess because we won't be needing all that. So this is how it looks like after trimming off the excess. The next thing we're going to be doing here is aligning these two pieces on the bust point, not forgetting one is the center front and the other the side front. So this trimmed out part is where we're going to be placing facing each other. So make sure to place it facing each other like so, align properly, and then hold a dart of 1/2 an inch, just like you would do on your main fabric. So I'll take this to my sewing machine to stitch on, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks like. So guys, we have our already made cup formed out. You can see how so beautiful it is looking already. So taking a very close look at this, you can see how so cupped out it is. You can see the depth in there, and I also went ahead to press open my seam line with the use of my tailor's ham, both on the inside and on the outside, placing on it a light towel before pressing. I also went ahead to create about 3 to 4 stitch lines round the edges to make these edges even more flatter than it was trimmed, and now it is looking really flat. Moving forward, we are going to be introducing our main fabric, which I already ironed ST on, taking note of the bust points. I went ahead to press open my seam line both on the outside and on the inside. So I'll place this on my bust cup, making sure that the darts align with each other both on the top and on the lower part. I'll secure these parts, holding it together with my pins. So go ahead and do the same thing for yours. Please make sure to arrange this properly before holding with pins. So I'll hold the top part first, and then the lower part I'll align properly and then secure with my pin. So from side to side, stretch out your fabric and secure with pins, leaving no space in between. So this is the lining for this cup, and I'm fitting it in, making sure that the darts align and that it fits in properly to avoid any finished problems. Now that we have checked the fitting, I'll keep that aside. As you can see, the lining and the main fabric are sewn same way. Now our cup is ready to be fixed on the lower part of our corset top. So please go ahead to stitch together the center and side piece and then fix on your cup. So this is how it will look like after you have stitched together, and trust me, it will look even more beautiful after your cup has been fixed. So please, if you find this video very helpful, please do not forget to like and leave your comments below, and also do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So now you can just go on and attach whatever you want on the yoke, or you can leave it like so. I want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for sticking here with Valmage Fits. And please, if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section and I'll attend to them. And I hope to drop even more interesting videos moving forward, so you can drop your suggestions on the comment section. So from here, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.